Are you tired of being the last to try Pinterest's new features? Join Pinterest Labs now and get early access. You know that feeling when you see a friend using a cool new layout or a brand new pin format and you have no idea how they got it? It's frustrating. But here's the good news. You don't have to wait anymore. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find labs in settings and how to join in just a few taps. So let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to do is open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account because we're about to make some changes that are tied directly to your profile. All right, once you're on the main screen, look over to the top right corner. See your profile picture? Right next to it, there's a little arrow pointing down. It's tiny, but it's super important. Tap on that arrow down icon. This opens up a quick menu with a few options, things like your boards, your pins, and of course, the one we care about. From that menu, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now don't worry, you're not going to break anything here. We're just navigating into the control center of your account. Now here is where most people miss it. When you're in Settings, you're going to see a long list of options. Keep scrolling down. Don't stop at the obvious ones like Account or Privacy. Keep going past Notifications, past Security, all the way down until you see something called Labs. It's usually near the bottom of the list, just before the personalization section. And here's the thing. If you don't see it yet, it might mean the feature is slowly rolling out to your region. But stick with me. When you tap on Labs, take a moment to actually read what's there. Pinterest Labs is their playground for experimental features. Think of it as a sneak peek behind the curtain. They'll tell you that by joining, you might see unfinished features, things that might change, or even stuff that could disappear. That's totally normal. You're basically a beta tester, and that's actually a really cool thing. So now that you know what you're getting into, look for the option that says Join Pinterest Labs. It's usually a clear button right in the middle of that screen. Tap on it. A confirmation screen might pop up. Just tap to confirm. It's usually something like a checkbox and a join button. Then you'll need to follow any additional instructions that appear on your screen. Sometimes this is just agreeing to terms, sometimes it's a brief tutorial on how the lab's feedback system works. Just follow along and you'll be through in seconds. And once you've done that, you're in. You now have early access to experimental features. This means the next time Pinterest tests a new pin saving flow or a redesigned search bar, you'll see it first. You get to play with it, give feedback, and enjoy that feeling of being ahead of the curve. Now, a quick heads up. Since these features are experimental, they might not always work perfectly. But that's part of the fun. And if you ever want to leave Labs, you can come back to this same settings menu and turn it off just as easily. So go ahead and check it out. Open Pinterest, find that arrow, dive into settings, and join Labs. You'll thank yourself later when your friends ask, "How did you get that feature already?" And you can just smile and say, "I got in early." Happy pinning!